Tesla, once the undisputed king of the electric vehicle market, is now facing one of the biggest challenges in its history. For the first time ever, the company has lost its position as the world's top-selling EV brand. A Chinese automaker has surged ahead, Tesla's stock is taking a hit, and the company is struggling with production issues, pricing problems, and an onslaught of competition. Many are now asking, has Tesla finally lost its edge? Is this the beginning of its downfall, and can Elon Musk do anything to save it? Let's break it all down. Tesla falls from the top spot. For over a decade, Tesla dominated the EV market, setting the gold standard for electric vehicles with cutting-edge technology, long-range batteries, and an expansive charging network. The company was a trailblazer, making EVs mainstream while building a loyal customer base and a stock price that seemed unstoppable. However, times have changed. Tesla is no longer the top dog in the EV industry. That title now belongs to BYD, a Chinese automaker that has surged ahead in both sales and production, leaving Tesla scrambling to reclaim its position. In the last quarter alone, BYD sold over 526,000 EVs, surpassing Tesla's 484,000. This wasn't just a one-off event. It marked a fundamental shift in the industry. Tesla now faces relentless pressure from legacy automakers like Volkswagen and Ford, as well as new EV startups eager to carve out their share of the market. The days of Tesla being the only major player in the EV space are over, and its early lead is slipping away. What led to this sudden decline? Tesla's struggles can be traced back to a series of strategic missteps, a failure to adapt quickly, and a growing wave of external pressures. Tesla's biggest mistake. Tesla's fall from the top wasn't an overnight event. It was a slow decline fueled by complacency. For years, Tesla operated as though no competitor could match its technology, brand power, or influence in the EV space. That overconfidence led to costly mistakes. One major issue is Tesla's aging vehicle lineup. While models like the Model 3 and Model Y remain popular, they have received minimal updates over the years. Meanwhile, competitors have launched newer, more innovative EVs with improved features, better build quality, and more competitive pricing. Automakers like BYD, Hyundai, and Volkswagen are now producing EVs that rival or even surpass Tesla's offerings. Customers who once had no choice but to buy Tesla now have a wealth of alternatives to choose from. Another critical problem is Tesla's well-documented history of production delays. The company has repeatedly overpromised and underdelivered when it comes to new vehicle rollouts. The Cybertruck, Roadster, and Tesla Semi were all announced years ago, yet they remain either unavailable or in extremely limited production. Customers are growing impatient, and Tesla's inability to deliver on its promises is pushing buyers toward competitors. In an industry where timing is everything, Tesla's slow execution is proving costly. Quality control is another area where Tesla has struggled. Reports of panel gaps, inconsistent paint jobs, and malfunctioning software have plagued the company for years. While early adopters may have been willing to overlook these issues, mainstream consumers are less forgiving. As more automakers enter the EV space with well-built, reliable vehicles, Tesla's flaws are becoming harder to ignore. How Tesla's biggest rival took over. Elon Musk once dismissed BYD as an inferior automaker, but that assessment has proven to be a major miscalculation. Today, BYD is the world's best-selling EV brand, and Tesla is struggling to keep up. So how did BYD manage to pull ahead? Unlike Tesla, which focused primarily on the premium EV market, BYD took a different approach. It targeted the mass market, producing affordable EVs that appeal to a much broader customer base. This strategy has paid off massively, allowing BYD to sell millions of cars worldwide, while Tesla continues to struggle with pricing its vehicles competitively. A key advantage for BYD is its complete control over its supply chain. While Tesla relies on third-party battery suppliers like Panasonic and CATL, BYD manufactures its own batteries. This has given BYD a massive cost advantage, allowing it to keep prices lower while Tesla struggles with rising production costs. Since battery production is one of the most expensive parts of EV manufacturing, BYD's ability to produce its own batteries at scale has been a game changer. Government support has also played a huge role in BYD's success. The Chinese government has aggressively pushed for EV adoption, offering subsidies and incentives that helped BYD grow at an incredible pace. Meanwhile, Tesla faces increasing regulatory scrutiny in key markets like the US and Europe. With China quickly becoming the world's largest EV market, BYD's home field advantage has given it an edge over Tesla on the global stage. What's even more concerning for Tesla is BYD's international expansion. BYD is no longer just a Chinese automaker, it's entering markets in Europe, South America, and Southeast Asia. With lower prices and highly competitive technology, BYD is making it increasingly difficult for Tesla to maintain its global dominance. If Tesla doesn't adapt quickly, it risks falling even further behind. A desperate move that backfired. In response to mounting competition, Tesla made a bold move, slashing prices across its entire lineup. Initially, this seemed like a smart strategy to boost sales, attract new buyers, and maintain market share. But it quickly turned into a disaster, exposing deeper issues within the company's business model and long-term strategy. Tesla built its brand on being a premium EV manufacturer, known for its cutting-edge technology, sleek designs, and strong resale value. Drastic price cuts, however, made the company look desperate and sent mixed signals to both consumers and investors. Customers who had paid full price for their vehicles were outraged when they saw prices drop by 20% or more overnight, effectively devaluing their cars. Many felt betrayed, leading to a surge in complaints and even class action lawsuits in some regions. Others canceled their orders, anticipating even steeper discounts in the near future. This sudden shift eroded consumer trust and created a perception that Tesla's pricing strategy was unstable and unpredictable. If Tesla could slash prices so drastically now, who's to say it wouldn't happen again? The ripple effects extended beyond just Tesla owners. Dealerships and used car buyers also took a hit as the resale value of Tesla vehicles plummeted. Pre-owned Teslas, which once held their value exceptionally well, saw a steep decline in market prices. This discouraged potential buyers from considering Tesla in the first place, fearing that their purchase would quickly depreciate in value. Elon Musk saved Tesla. Tesla is now at a critical crossroads. The company can no longer rely on brand loyalty or its early mover advantage to maintain its dominance. The EV market is evolving at a rapid pace, and Tesla must adapt if it wants to survive. To regain its competitive edge, Tesla must make significant changes. First, it needs to launch new vehicle models that align with consumer demand. The Cybertruck, Roadster, and other upcoming releases must deliver on their promises, or Tesla risks losing even more credibility. Second, Tesla must fix its production delays and quality control issues. If buyers don't trust the product, they won't buy it. Third, Tesla must figure out how to maintain its pricing power without sacrificing profitability. And finally, the company must double down on innovation to stay ahead of its rivals. Elon Musk has proven time and time again that he can defy the odds. But this might be his biggest challenge yet. Can he turn things around before it's too late? Or is Tesla's reign as the EV leader coming to an end? What do you think? Is Tesla in serious trouble, or will it make a major comeback? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest stories in tech and business.